What is up, everyone? It's RobbxAce here, and today we are gonna jump straight into this project. As you see here, we have a white pair of pants with a stain that I could not get out. So I'm gonna do what any normal person would do and cover it up and pretend like it doesn't exist. I printed out my images on a Avery t-shirt transfer paper for lights and organized it to achieve the best look. Next up, we put a towel down and begin to tape off the edges that we didn't want the image to bleed over into. For the third step, please follow the instructions on the pack. You must place the image face down, iron it, then wait for the image to completely cool off. If you don't, you might ruin it. I was a bit impatient and almost ruined the project, but I still got it together though. Now you just continue down that leg until there is no more room for the comics. Make sure you use wax paper so you don't ruin your previous pictures. Last but not least, remove the tape, cut off any excess paper, and then go ahead and try on your new jeans. Look at that. What stain? If you still see it, you need to back up because you're too close anyway. I brought new life to these old jeans and I am excited to rock them. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up, and if you love it, go ahead and tap that subscribe. As always, I hope to see you again soon.